Hey guys, Keylog here. I wanted to make a quick little video to help out some of you new dog owners, my cat owners primarily, because you guys are the ones, like me, that fall into the whole pet insurance trap. Pet insurance, I will never get pet insurance ever again, and I think most of you that are watching this video should not get pet insurance. Some of you might benefit from pet insurance if you get lucky, but most of us, majority of us, get fucked by them. So look, I had pet, there's a dust in front of mine. Never mind. So I had pet insurance for a year. So now I have 3 dogs and a cat. A few years back, I only had 2 dogs and a cat. And just for those 3 animals alone, I was paying $108 a month. And I had it for a year. So I paid out $1,250 to the pet insurance. So granted, I should have probably read what they do cover. I just figured pet insurance, they should cover some of the basic needs, right? Wrong. If your pet, so one of the things here's some things that they don't cover. Okay, this is crazy. They don't cover pre-existing conditions. So if your dog has hip dysplasia or has stomach issues like my Chihuahua had, or anything like blindness, I guess, your insurance won't cover that because your dog had that condition before you got their insurance. So the only way that they will cover those expensive bills for all those conditions is if you had insurance with them, and while you had insurance with them, your dog got hip dysplasia or got blind or whatnot. How many years would your dog need to have that before it gets that issue? Even then they don't cover everything. They only cover how much ever you like, whatever plan you chose. I chose the 40% coverage. So I pay about $500 deductible to cover the rest, or some nonsense like that. So, and they don't cover some of the things that we do need. Us dog and cat owners do really need. Like they don't cover a percentage of the flea medicine, examination checkups. They don't cover dental. What's up with that? Those are things that we do need. That's what good dog and cat owners do. They take them in yearly. They take them and get them checked out once in a while. The stuff that we do need, the insurance won't cover you for that. So where are these hundreds of dollars that we're paying per month going? If I, instead of taking insurance, decided to just pay off that 1 year, all the medical bills on my own, I would have saved tons of money. For my Chihuahua, which I kept on going in to cash in for this reimbursement from the insurance, they said, no, that's not covered. You don't qualify for that. You can't get covered for this. And they gave me some sort of reasoning I couldn't get covered. So for my Chihuahua and my golden retriever and my cat, with all the medical bills that they had, it was about $400 that I paid for that year. We were still trying to figure out what was wrong with my Chihuahua. Thank God we finally figured it out. However, I paid out $1,250 and $400. They didn't cover anything except the medicines. So the medicines that the veterinarian would give me and my wife that would last us 3 months, that cost about $40, they reimbursed us for the medicines. And they didn't even reimburse the whole entire medicine. It was just like, oh, we cover about 80% or 70%. I was like, what? $40 for 3 months? I royally got fucked with this medical insurance, and I'm pretty sure most of you are getting fucked right now and you don't even know it. I usually don't curse in my videos, but I really don't like getting scammed, and a lot of us are pretty much getting scammed right now if you have insurance. This is my opinion. You can go into read the website. Yes, I should have read. If I was you, if for my mistakes, if you really want to go insurance, read what they would cover and make sure that that's the best setting for you and your animal. In my opinion, don't get insurance. That monthly payment you're paying, $50 to $100 or $108 like me, put that in another freaking bank account and keep that as just an emergency situation. And by the time your dog or your cat, whatever, has these issues, you will have that money set forth. You'll be gonna get royally screwed if you go with pet insurance. My tip is, don't get pet insurance if you're a dog owner. It's a waste of fucking money. Don't get it. Dog or cat owner, don't get insurance. It's a waste of fucking money. Thanks guys. Thanks for listening to my rant/tip.